we were the pioneers in our industry. It used to be that the home builders had to rely on the electric company to do the installation of their utilities. You were able to go to the developer and convince them that instead of using Edison to install their utility grid, you could hire Pacific Utility.
It must have looked very strange. When we started, we had pickup trucks that didn't match, and our office was just an old converted garage. So when we came along and said, hey, give us a shot, people look at you like you're crazy.
You know, I'd like to be able to tell you that we really thought through this. We sort of stumbled upon it and realized that people will actually be willing to pay for good work and good service.
We're Pacific Utility Installation. We are a general engineering and high voltage electrical contractor. So we pull the cable, we set transformers and switchgear. We excavate for joint trench and underground utilities. We install the conduit, we install the substructures, and we connect it to the buildings, and we tie it all together to operate ultimately for the customer.
The reality is that Dan was the real entrepreneur. What that did for me is gave me the ability to spend time motivating and inspiring people. Just give them an opportunity to excel.
To be a foreman, to be in charge of a crew out there, you actually have to care about the people that you have. If I don't have them on the job site, I'll not be able to complete the job because I need them. I need them and they need me. So that's why we work as a team.
You know, all of us were in our early 20s when we started working for PUI. The opportunity is available for you to excel at Pacific Utility because the people who are here are willing to train you because they want to see you be successful.
That's a big part of the job. I get to go see different stuff every day and deal with different issues and meet different people, and I wouldn't trade it for nothing in the world.
We have a system here. Every job that we finish, it has to be done perfect. And the goal is to provide the best work for the customers.
That's one of the reasons that we do have a good reputation is because we know that when we build something, we build it right. We're not perfect. If we were to install something incorrectly, we would rip out what the problem is and we would build it the way that it's supposed to be built.
My responsibility is to keep the guys that are working with me safe and aware of the potential risks of what they're doing. And the idea of doing the job right is knowing that there really isn't a shortcut.
Our staff is more talented, more skilled, more capable than I would ever be. My job is to help them avoid any of the obstacles so that they can be even more successful. They're so much more talented than me.
The best way to have your employees' best interest at heart and build a good culture is just have your employees' best interest at heart. When we started the organization, I didn't understand what those words meant. But it means just being considerate and caring for the people that you work with, and you don't have to make that up.
And it's through the investment of our people, we're now capable of building substations, designing and maintaining entire utility grids. Our skill set after 20 years of hard work is vastly improved from where we started. We're excited about what the next 20 years is going to be.